Just doing FedEx tonight. Arrived at one of their centers. Let's see. This week I've been doing FedEx. The last one was drop and swap, which is very nice. This one I don't have a clue. Yeah, yo, trader from Atherstone. Nah, it's alright to go solo, please. We come out solo, go back solo. Obviously, you can't choose to go with a trailer when you don't need to. But also, where this company starts, where the yard of this company. Yeah, the yard is. Oh, it's okay. I can take one. If you do need, yeah, I can.
Where are you heading? Are you heading back to your yard?
Back to the yard, mate.
Because I'm going to have an empty on bay 10 in a minute.
All right. Where do I put this meanwhile?
Yours on bay 11.
Just
wait for the green light on bay 10, okay?
Thank you.
What? Sorry?
Thank you.
Say again?
That's all right. Thank you, mate.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Yes. So I have to go with the trailer. But yeah, the last couple ones I've been going solo. Come out solo, go back solo. Let's see what's happening in there. Never been to this one, so tension's all out. Don't want to touch nothing in a yard that you don't know. Okay, it says always tight in these places. You put 11 and then take the one on 10 when it shows green. Alright. These yards are tight. Wide circle. Every time you see a tight thing, you have to go around the place. Anything. These yards are always really tight. But also, make sure to sub to the channel, YouTube. Don't be like that. More and more content. I'm about to go out to Africa to have my break, and these are my last ships. Very excited, quietly excited. Until everything rolls smoothly, you can't actually be too happy when you're going away far out. Like going home, to be honest. I'm not going on holidays. I'm going home. I call it going home. Although everyone, people think, he's going on holidays. Yes, I'm having a break from work, but I'm actually, to me, going where I come from is not really a break. If I went to Europe somewhere, if I went somewhere to have fun, maybe. When I went to America, that was holiday. Because I didn't work there and I didn't come from there. That means I was really having a holiday. But when I go Africa, to me, I don't call it a holiday. Alright. Finish this. Oh, that is taking some time. That's a tight one. They're coming out. Just running to hand in this and leave, finish and finish. I was saying, yeah, I'm going for my break, can't wait. This time it's been about 6 months. Sometimes it's 8 months, 6 months, 4 months. The shortest ones used to be 3 months. Me being here and then 3 months time I leave. Now this has been 6 months. So lots of stuff waiting for me to be done. That's it, that's it, that's it. Yeah, so we'll probably be seeing a few videos in Africa. We're gonna be bringing you African videos in Uganda. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and I'm going to leave it at this because it's too dark to make these videos. Alright, I'll talk with you soon.